Hello guys and welcome to the third tutorial of C programming, and in this video we will gonna let you know that how and where you can execute your C programs. So actually when you're gonna execute your C programs, so you just need an IDE for your program to run it. Actually IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. The integrated development environment for this tutorial series, we will gonna use a dev C++. Actually it's a really powerful environment for executing and performing your program. So let's get started. And firstly, if you want to download the IDE dev C++, go ahead in your internet browser and just write there dev C++ free download, or you can say download. So it will give you bunch of links to download it. You can choose wherever you want to download it from, but I'm going ahead and downloading from it called sourceforge.net, the very first link, and you will just hit the download folder. You will hit just the download button right here, and it will gonna redirect you on the next page, and your downloading will be start in 2 seconds. And yes, it's downloading right here, the latest version of 2018 of dev C++. And yes, it's downloading, but for your compliments, I have actually downloaded it before and we will gonna run it. So I will pause it up and I will show you where is the dev C++ located. I guess so. I have put it in software folder, software backup. Yes, it's right here. It's called dev C++ 5.1 TM, and you just have to launch this application. It will ask you for your permission if you are using Windows 10, and you will just start the loading and the setup for you. And it will ask you for the language on which you want to continue. I will prefer English. I agree, and just tick all these icons except this one, and it will directly install your dev C++ in the C drive programming files and program files 86 and the folder called dev-cpp. Just hit install and it will install your IDE. When the IDE is done, so just run it as a C++ dev C++ environment and run it as like this. And it will ask you for the English original and ask you for the language. So just click next and OK, and it will open your first environment of dev C++. Okay, so I'm here in the dev C++ and I will let you know with some line of codes which are actually important to run a program. So in this video you will see that how you can include the header files and all of this stuff like that. So just go ahead for your first project and click the source file, and just right here hash include stdio.h, and the second file which you will include is hash include conio.h. Right here, by int main, this is the main function as I have told you in the previous videos, and you will write here printf and just write your name or something else. I'll write hello YouTube. And boom. Firstly, if you want to execute your program, so you just need to compile it first and then run it, or you can directly compile and run it by pressing F11 or pressing this button right here. Or for holding the screen, you just write here get ch. It's a function for holding screen and it will work with the header file called kunio.h. It is written right here. So I will compile it and run it. It will ask me to store the program. I will just name it first program and click save. It's compiled and it's saying hello YouTube. So this is the very first program of C language, and I will demonstrate you that how you can implement those header files and what are the importance of those header files in the program. So I'll let you know that this hash include stdio.h is the main header file for standard input output. STD stands for standard, and I stands for input, and the O stands for output. So the hash include stdio.h is a library which brings you the command in this program called printf. And there are also some main commands which it includes in the program, like printf, scanf, and other commands which will be available in this library, which are actually available in this library. Next library is hash include kunio.h. Kunio.h is also one of the important library. If you actually remove this library from the program, so you will gonna see that the getch will not work and it will give you an error like this. So the getch was not declared in this scope, saying the error. So kunio.h is a library and getch is a built-in function of that library which is used to hold the screen. Now if I remove the getch function, so the program will run, but this console will just actually terminates if I don't include that library, like so. So now I will show you that how it will work if I don't include that library. I have compiled it and there is no error. Now if I run it, you can say that it is saying hello YouTube, but the process executed after 0.81 seconds with the return value of 0. Actually it terminates the program immediately. So this is the main function of kunio.h, that it will hold your screen, it will hold your program from terminating immediately. So I guess this is the brief introduction for your first program and your first IDE, and I guess you guys can understand it easily. So please subscribe my channel Tech Talks, and thank you.